From towering giants that dominate entire factories to autonomous machines that could put a dent in the workforce, these robots represent the cutting edge of modern technology. But what's really interesting about these robots isn't just their size or complexity, it's the impact they're already having on our world. These machines are the product of years of research and development, and they're a testament to what we can achieve when we put our minds to it. But before we discuss this in detail, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 5. Nadine. Nadine is a highly realistic humanoid social robot that is recognized worldwide for its ability to resemble and behave remarkably like a human. Its design is based on that of Professor Nadia Magdanat-Thalmann. Ensuring that Nadine embodies key attributes of a social robot is crucial, and the suggested framework is designed to be adaptable and straightforward to customize if necessary. As a social robot, Nadine's primary function entails engaging in communication and interaction with humans, while adhering to accepted social norms and conventions. Furthermore, Nadine's functionality would be contingent on the specific environment in which it's deployed, as it must become familiar with its designated role. Face recognition. Nadine's perception layer includes a submodule for facial recognition, which enables her to identify individuals and customize her responses and behavior accordingly. Additionally, Nadine's affective module can utilize this information to modify her emotions and mood if needed. Speech recognition and synthesis. Nadine utilizes the Google Cloud speech-to-text model for speech recognition, which can recognize up to 120 different languages. After selecting an appropriate verbal response for a given situation, Nadine performs two main tasks. First, she synthesizes the response while adjusting the tone and overall conversational style. And second, she synchronizes her lip movements with the speech output. Action/gesture recognition. To improve the interaction between humans and robots, Nadine must adapt her behavior and responses, both verbal and nonverbal, based on the current context and actions being taken. This design incorporates a perception layer submodule for action recognition, which triggers the processing layer to modify Nadine's reactions and behaviors accordingly. Object recognition. Nadine's design includes object recognition as a submodule of her perception layer. This means that each object that is recognized serves as a stimulus for Nadine to react to based on the context of the user's conversation and the task at hand. By utilizing the detected objects as stimuli, Nadine's platform enables her to provide information about the objects that are detected in her surroundings. Memory. Nadine employs facial recognition technology to identify individuals, and her episodic memory module allows her to recall previous conversations and retrieve relevant statements for current discussions. This capability is integrated into Nadine's processing layer. Gaze behavior. Nadine employs a scheme for generating neck-eye motion in real time to control her gaze, which offers an analytical solution to this issue. Nadine distributes her attention among all nearby users and utilizes social features like social distance, familiarity with certain group members, identifying the speaker, and recognizing particular movements of a user. Effective system emotion engine. Nadine's architecture includes an effective system in its processing layer, which governs her emotions, personality, and mood during interactions. The emotion engine is tasked with emulating the effect dynamics of social robots. Number 4. Asimo. In the year 2000, Honda, a Japanese company, created a revolutionary humanoid robot named Asimo, standing at 130 centimeters tall and weighing 48 kilograms. Asimo is a masterpiece of engineering. It's equipped with state-of-the-art technology that allows it to walk, run, and even climb stairs with ease. It has a top speed of 9 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest humanoid robots in the world. As a robotic ambassador, Asimo has traveled the globe, showcasing its abilities and demonstrating the potential of robotics technology. Its main purpose is to assist people, and it can perform tasks such as carrying trays, serving drinks, and pushing carts. Asimo is a multilingual robot capable of communicating in 3 different languages: Japanese, Chinese, and English. Its advanced programming allows it to recognize and respond to human speech and gestures, making it a highly interactive and engaging robot. As one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created, Asimo is often ranked in second place. Its main goal is to assist people, and it travels worldwide as a robot ambassador, showcasing how robots can improve and simplify daily life. Asimo's abilities include dancing, running, and even kicking a soccer ball. The name Asimo stands for Advanced Step-in Innovative Mobility, and it can communicate in 3 languages: Japanese, Chinese, and English. Overall, the robot serves as an educational tool, demonstrating the potential of robotics technology to the public. Number 3. Atlas. Developed by Boston Dynamics, Atlas is a 1.5 meter tall humanoid robot that weighs approximately 80 kilograms. It's designed to operate in difficult environments and perform various tasks such as search and rescue operations and disaster response. Some companies claim that this humanoid robot is the epitome of agility, boasting a body-shaped dynamic that it can utilize its full range of motion to move quickly and maintain balance across a variety of terrains. With an impressive repertoire of capabilities, this robot can perform a multitude of tasks, but it particularly excels in activities such as running, jumping, and executing backflips. Equipped with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence systems, it's able to detect obstacles and skillfully navigate through diverse environments. Picking up and carrying an object may seem like a simple task, but in the realm of robotics, it's far more complicated. Atlas, a humanoid robot, must first determine its position in relation to the object it wishes to grasp, devise a strategy for grasping it with its hands, and then lift and manipulate the object, all while taking into account how the added weight will affect its balance. In a video, Boston Dynamics software engineer Robin Dietz explains that manipulating certain objects, such as a plank, requires making informed assumptions about its movement and how to move its arms to rotate the plank quickly. However, miscalculations can lead to awkward maneuvers and even falls. Number 2. Ameca. With the title of the most famous AI humanoid robot already bestowed on Sophia, the bar has been set high for any new contenders. However, Engineered Arts, a renowned designer and manufacturer of humanoid entertainment robots, may have just outdone themselves with their newest creation, ameca. Unveiled in December of 2021, the ultra-realistic humanoid robot has quickly gained attention on the internet for its incredibly lifelike facial expressions and movements. One of the key factors behind ameca's success is its robust AI system, which enables it to detect and track people's faces using the cameras in its eyes. This allows ameca to quickly respond to people's emotions, making it more interactive and engaging. In addition, ameca can detect specific objects in its surroundings, as demonstrated by its ability to remove someone's hands from its face when its nose is touched. During an interview with CNET, the director of operations of Engineered Arts, Morgan Rowe, showcased ameca's lifelike reactions. As he explained the AI technology used in the robot's engineering, ameca reacted to his movements in a way that's so realistic that it's easy to forget that it's actually a robot. Number 1. Sophia. Sophia is a humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics. Sophia has the remarkable ability to interact with people, display incredibly lifelike facial expressions, and express a wide range of sophisticated and sensitive emotions. This incredible creation has been equipped with a plethora of features, including facial recognition, visual tracking, natural language processing, and voice, all of which are based on AI technology. Design. By bringing together the fields of science, engineering, and the arts, Sophia serves as a remarkable platform for cutting-edge research in robotics and AI, offering a glimpse into the exciting future of these technologies. One of Sophia's most striking features is how she can be perceived differently by each person who she interacts with. This is a testament to the incredible complexity of her design and the nuanced ways in which AI technology can be interpreted. As a result of her unique qualities, Sophia has been recognized as the world's first robot citizen and is also the first robot to serve as an innovation ambassador for the United Nations Development Program. Sophia is highly mobile, with 74 degrees of freedom in its arms, shoulders, and articulated fingers. Each of its hands can carry up to 600 grams, making it useful for a variety of tasks. In addition to self-navigation, Sophia has 3 different rolling base options to choose from. The robot is equipped with sensors that can detect faces and track bodies, making it possible to program Sophia for physical interaction tasks. To control Sophia's various features, the Hanson AI SDK is utilized. This software manages the robot's AI-based perception, natural language processing algorithms, open domain chat functionality, non-verbal language, low-level sensory input, and actuation controls. Overall, Sophia is an impressive example of how advanced technology can create a robot that resembles a human and can perform a wide range of tasks with its mobility and perception capabilities. Connecting with humans. Sophia is not just a machine, but an advanced creation that combines true artificial intelligence and human input known as the Sophia Intelligence Collective. This collective intelligence is a testament to the trust between Sophia and the team that created it. The team mentors Sophia through the different stages of its development, with the hope that it will evolve into a fully sentient being with human-like characteristics. Sophia has given interviews to many big TV news channels like CNN, BBC, and more. In 2017, the Saudi Arabian government granted Sophia's citizenship, which was seen as a significant milestone for the advancement of AI technology. This decision was met with both praise and criticism, as some people questioned the implications of granting citizenship to an AI-powered machine. The goal of the SIC is to enable Sophia to grow and develop in a way that's not only intelligent, but also ethical and beneficial to humanity. Through this collaborative effort between humans and AI, Sophia has the potential to become a truly remarkable entity unlike anything we've ever seen before. And that's all for today. In the near future, AI robots will be taking on more complex tasks and continuing to change the way we do things. What new technologies could be introduced in the next 5 years that will revolutionize the way we interact with AI robots? What new tasks can they be used for? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.